Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevy Colorado LT. Bright blue metallic is the color name. Absolutely beautiful. It's the first time I've ever seen one of these finished in this bright blue. And I am a big fan of it. Like the Silverado, you have a bumper side step. You can go ahead, step up to access the bed. Same thing on the passenger side. Nice back seat area. Bright blue metallic is the actual color name. Jet black interior. This one has infotainment 3 plus, safety package, LT convenience package, driver and front passenger heated seats, the bright blue metallic, auto locking rear differential, trailer equipment package, trailer brake controller, as all the options for a total price of $39,715. 2021 got a new refresh of the front end. I'm a big fan of that. I do like the fact that it's a light color top, not top, but headliner. It really helps to brighten up the interior. Sunglass holder. Do like the leather wrapped wheel. Materials in here are pretty nice while still being durable. It's not soft touch, but it has a decent feel to it. It's not your typical hard, well, this is just because that needs to be durable. But the parts where you're going to be touching aren't hard plastic. I'm going to put that there because I always forget my water when I get out of a car. Infotainment 3. Really nice, easy to use. I'm a big fan of it. All your different buttons. You got tow haul mode. Turn your traction control off. Hazards. Your cargo lamps. Lane departure warning. And your parking sensors. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead, put it into drive. Low mode, you can play with your gear limiter. 8-speed automatic, of course, fitted with the 3.6 V6. There's two engines available. You have the 2.5 and the 3.6. The 3.6 is obviously the most popular, but the 2.5 is standard on your work truck. Traffic is so fun. Love it. Overall, it's not a bad package. It's a nice entry-level truck, or a good daily driving truck for somebody who doesn't need the full-size Silverado. And it does have a good amount of power, as we'll demonstrate here. Cruises very, very well at highway speed. The 8-speed helps keep it in the right gear ratio. Overall handling, not bad at all. Obviously not going to be a sports car. It is a truck after all, but it is pretty lively. The powertrain has plenty of power. I can't really complain too much. This is honestly a really, really nice truck. Obviously, its competitors are the Ford Ranger. Yeah, the Ford Ranger is about it. Toyota Tacoma, that level of pickup. Nissan Frontier, even though this beats the Frontier. It's a very, very nice vehicle, especially in this bright blue metallic. It helps it stand out among the crowd. And I think this is an awesome truck for somebody who's getting started with a landscaping business, stuff like that. You know, it doesn't need to tow a large trailer. It's a perfect vehicle for people like them. There's no need to have a big, massive truck when you only tow a lawnmower. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.